Hey everybody, today we are going to be heading over to the mountains to go skating, and it's going to be the first time using our GoPro Hero 9 as well, so we're excited to be able to try that out and also get some fresh air. And Zuri's continuing to get used to skating, so you can see the progression for her. So let's go and check it out. We stopped off at Gap Lake, but there's running water there, and there
all around it.
There was some places to skate, but we didn't feel comfortable skating there, so we came into Canmore. We're just gonna skate on a little pond here, be a little bit easier for the kids. We also stopped off at the Grizzly Pub Brewing Company and got some drinks for later.
Yeah.
Black cherry cola. And an orange cream soda for Zuri, and Theo have a couple sips of. And some other drinks for New Year's. Craft cocktails.
The gin squeeze is so good.
You excited to go skating?
Yeah!
Woohoo!
My hair's so great! Fun and this Captain Marvel.
Show me your Captain Marvel shirt. I love it.
Superhero on duty.
Love your shirt. Where's Theodore? There he is. Hey, little dude.
He's wearing his mask like a champ.
You're doing so good.
Doesn't want to take it off.
I'm glad we finally got you to wear that. Okay, let's go skating. There's Theo. He's got a hockey helmet on. He needs a bigger one. He has a big noggin. There's little Zuri. How you doing? Maybe Zuri's size would fit you. Maybe they're the same helmet. I think they are. We're gonna go skating in the mountains. So much fun. We found a little rink that's a little bit safer for us. Let's see. Fun little spot. There's our kiddos. You're doing so good, Zuri. Good job.
Just can't go down.
Skate towards Daddy, Zuri. Stay away from your brother. You're doing so good. Look at you go. Up you. Hey, little man. Good job. Look, there's your mama. You see some mountains back there. Good job, Zuri. Good job. Come towards Daddy. Good job. Hey, Theo. Good job, buddy.
I'm doing it.
Good job, buddy. You so happy to be skating again? You love skating.
Right? So go this way.
Good job, Zuri. Whoa, good gliding. Oh. Good job, honey. Nice mountain behind you.
First time skating for one time.
First time in the mountains, hey?
We have to tie up that.
There's our little Theo. A bright mountain behind you, little guy.
Right? And blue skies.
You see yourself? Cheese. I love it. Let's go for a little skate around. I'll see you in a second. See Zuri there. Hey Zuri. Woo. Here comes the Zuri. Here comes Zuri. Good job. Good skating. You're like a little ballerina, huh? Ay, ay, ay. Get in there, girl. Oh, you stand up. Hey! I love you. You see the mountains back there? There we go. That's a good one. Okay, we'll go get a picture with everyone else.
Why, Matilda?
Sound like having fun.
Okay, Matilda, Matilda. Matilda, 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 Matilda.
Theodore skating with his cousin.
Jump into the camera, Theo.
Suri did such a good job. She was skating all around by herself. Suri, I saw you doing that. You skated like all around by yourself. Good job. Good job. Good glide. What a spin. You made it. Perfect form. Hey, Zuri. Spin. Good job, Zuri.
This is so fun.
It's so fun. Good job. Some mom in the background with you. You got it. Good job.
Hey, girl. You ready?
Here we go. Hello, dude. more. Come on, in the sled now. Woo. And that was our time today skating in Canmore, Alberta. So we're gonna go grab some food and call it a night. Thanks for joining us. Okay, Zuri, you got our closing. Thanks for watching today. And
Go Benza! It's out there!
woo, good job, Zuri. Oh, we got another one. Oh, Ventura's out there. Yeah. Woo, thanks for coming skating.
Yeah, thanks for Mama Kiki.